Good morning. It is day number 2 as we are sailing from Australia to New Zealand. Let's make our way out to the pool deck. It is a lovely day outside. Fairly calm seas. In this video, we cover the first 3 days on the Villa V Odyssey. It is time for a beverage from our local gentleman. How you doing, pal?
Second days?
Absolutely. Everything good?
Good.
Would it be possible to get a lovely Diet Coke, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thanks, brother. So a lot of people keep asking, why should we listen to what you have to say? Why do you know so much about travel? Luckily, I have had the opportunity to travel around the world a couple of times on cruise ships, done cross-country motorcycle trips, multiples. I've taken Amtrak across country, and I want to start doing that in other countries, taking train trips. But I really just want to take people along and show them what the joy of travel really is. In front of the guest services desk, the tile will tell you forward, port, starboard, and aft. And of course, the most common sense, the pointy end is the front. I know, very helpful. There was even a kitty open house where some of our cat-owning residents opened their villas and let others come in to pet the cats. This is Luna. Right here we have Raven. And our next kitty on display is Captain the Cruising Kitty. After that, it was into the dining room for lunch, where I had a salad, some grapes, and cheesecake. Yesterday we had a talk on Tauranga. Today we have a talk on Napier, New Zealand.
Good afternoon.
This is Big Mac, and this is 5 o'clock trivia that we do in the lounge every single day, and it's going to be an absolute blast. How long is a penalty for fighting in hockey as of last year?
And I have to show you something that's a little dangerous here. This is the restrooms. Look at how high the sign is. I mean, are you kidding me? This is very dangerous. Here, you gotta walk in to get to the bathroom door here. And as you walk in, good luck! Oh, very dangerous being the tall traveler.
Oh, this is beanbag, but ultimate beanbag. We are whipping, chucking beanbags, not just from down here, which is boring, but we're going up to deck 5. We're going up to deck 6 and eventually to deck 7 for ultimate beanbag. Nice. One on the bag. Go. Oh. Come on, keep one on there.
All right, tonight is the night. I've been on the ship 2 days. Gonna do my talk about cruising through life. And here's the stage, and the most important part of the talk
I'm gonna put in here.
is our diet beverages. Thank you very much. There is a variety of activities taking place morning and evening.
Name an animal a snake can swallow whole.
A chicken, because I've seen it.
A chicken, because you've seen it, is not on my list. Do you have an answer? A mouse is the number 1 answer. Do you want to play or pass?
What?
I have now been on this ship for 4 days. We are on our 3rd day at sea on our way to Tauranga, New Zealand, and it has been spectacular. This is not a 5-star cruise. This is a very nice residential ship. People live here full time. It truly is a feeling of community on here. There's a lot of groups. There's a lot of activities if you want them. This afternoon, there was a choir practice. They have a play company where they put on productions. The only place to eat is the Thistle restaurant, which is very good. It has turned into a buffet. Usually that is for menu orders, and then they have the Palms open. However, the Palms has been closed since I came on. there was an email, somebody asking, please give us an explanation of why it's not ready when you said it would be. And to the residents' credit, they got a ridiculous answer of just saying, it's not ready yet. It'll be closed until further duty. And honestly, I have dealt with situations like this on ships where we have had problems, and I have found the best thing you can do, tell people exactly what is happening so they can decide if they want to be angry out of something they can't change or accept it and move on. And who knows what's happening, but regardless, there's one place to eat and the food is good. I'm still very happy with that. But I am seeing that there is a lack of communication and it doesn't make sense. Regardless of that, my experience on the ship, I'm having a great time. This is wonderful because it's a beautiful day at sea, and there's plenty of activities if you want them. Thank you very much for watching this episode. Please tune in once again, where next episode we will be going over the first 5 days on board the Villa V Odyssey. The weather has been beautiful so far, but evidently coming our way, some rough storms. What did the ocean say to the beach? Nothing. It just waved. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.